Thank you, Zane. 10 counties in northern Michigan are under a state of emergency after what some people are calling a historic ice storm.
The storm has caused widespread power outages, including loss of backup generators, loss of phone and cell service, and impassable roads because of downed trees and other debris. News of this declaration actually comes as a relief for those wanting to help, but who were unable to because of what's known as the Frost Law.
TV5's James Felton joins us to tell us what the Frost Law is and why it's no longer a factor in this recovery effort. James?
The governor's state of emergency declaration for 10 counties puts a pause on the frost law there. A frost law prevents heavy equipment from being on residential roads when frost comes up out of the ground in the spring. The roads can only hold so much weight before damage occurs. But with large trees on homes right now, that heavy equipment is allowed in to help people in northern Michigan.
I'm hearing that there's tons of damage up there, trees on houses.
Bruce Thibodeau owns Pier Logistics Support, a company that represents heavy equipment tree removal companies in disasters across the country. He tells us he's mobilizing heavy equipment headed for northern Michigan after Governor Gretchen Whitmer declared a state of emergency for 10 counties affected by an ice storm there.
Heavy equipment that we literally come in and can take an entire tree off with one lift to prevent further loss and further damage and mitigate the situation.
He says time is paramount when it comes to getting a large tree off your home.
When this water starts melting, it's going to start damaging insulation, drywall, and end up causing hundreds of millions of dollars in damages by the time this is over.
But Thibodeau is cautioning eager homeowners to check a tree company's credentials before allowing them to do work on your land.
They need to understand that tree companies, they need to make sure that when they hire somebody to verify they have liability tree-based insurance for trees over 30 feet and workers' compensation. If they do not and an accident occurs, such as somebody being injured or killed on the property, they could be liable for a lawsuit, and it could be the individual that's harmed or their family members can literally sue their insurance company for damages.
And while Thibodeau is glad Governor Whitmer declared the state of emergency, he says it should have been done 2 days ago. Back to you.